Welcome to Keon Technology. We are proud to present Property Genius, a premium, all-in-one real estate management ecosystem designed to streamline property investments, listings, and customer relations. This sophisticated platform provides the intelligent tools necessary to manage a complex property portfolio with ease and precision. The workflow, step by step. Secure admin access. The experience begins at the admin login portal. Professionals can securely access their workspace using their authorized credentials, ensuring that sensitive investment data remains protected at all times. Executive dashboard. Upon entry, you are greeted by the global dashboard, a comprehensive command center. This real-time interface provides an immediate snapshot of your business health, tracking key metrics such as active customer base and total user activity, total properties and active investment listings. Financial performance, including total order amounts, investment volume, and deposit totals. Intuitive menu builder. The platform features a dynamic menu builder, allowing administrators to customize the website's navigation structure effortlessly. You can manage core pages like home, plans, and blogs, or add custom menus to tailor the user journey. Referral and loyalty system. To drive growth, Property Genius includes a multi-level referral system. Administrators can define bonus percentages across various levels, incentivizing users to expand your network and reward loyalty. Plan management. The Manage Plan module allows you to create and curate various subscription tiers, such as standard, platinum, and basic packages. You have full control over pricing, listing limits, and duration for each tier, ensuring your service offerings meet diverse client needs. Property investment portfolio. The heart of the system is the Invest Property section. Here, you can manage premium listings, such as high-rise towers and luxury apartments, complete with detailed pricing, minimum, maximum investment amounts, and approval statuses. Customer and lead management. Through the Manage Customers and Recent Joined Users modules, you can maintain a high-touch relationship with your clients. Detailed profiles allow you to track user status, email communication, and individual investment activities. At Keon Technology, we don't just build software. We transform your vision into a digital reality. Every solution we create, from intelligent automation to seamless user experiences, is purposefully designed to drive your business growth. Quality, innovation, and reliability are the pillars of everything we do. Step into the modern era and take your business to the next level with us today. Visit us at keontechnology.com to start your digital transformation journey.